Morning. We're leaving Wangi Wangi in Wakatobi and we're now heading south to another island in the Wakatobi group called Hoga, where there's supposed to be really good diving and snorkeling. So we're looking forward to that.
So these fads here are absolutely everywhere. Unmarked, unlit, and yeah, you wouldn't want to hit one.
Where do we go from here? We could go anywhere. Where do we go from here? We could go anywhere.
Wangi Wangi was a very dirty place. Wow. So where are we, babe?
We're at Hoga Island in Indonesia, and we're just going for a bit of a look around. There's coral everywhere, so I can't wait to go for a snorkel.
This one's Arthur's house.
Along, right foot, right front, left front, right rear, left rear, right front. Yeah, so that's monotony.
got, babe?
Got a beautiful shell.
Oh wow, look at that one. Oh, very spiky. The ladies come to the boat with bananas and mangoes and all sorts of things to sell in the morning. They paddle around the boats. And we got bananas from them yesterday and they were delicious. Markets. Oh wow, okay. Well, this looks slippery. Anything you want?
No.
No?
No good.
They're tuna, aren't they? We've got our shopping. Now we're going to go and check out the... Oh, look at it. It's completely surrounded.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Built on a reef.
Beautiful. Yeah, very shallow.
Brick one there.
Wow, there is.
Wendy's going for a bit of a snorkel. I went yesterday, but my ears are full of water today because I went down a bit deep.
Yeah.
So I'm having the day off. Have fun, Dale.
Let's go and have a look.
I'm going to take you with her. This is where we are. This coral wall here, I think you might be able to see it, but that coral wall drops from less than a metre to 20 metres, pretty well vertically. Yeah, beautiful spot. to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear darling. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Wonderful. I've had a wonderful day.